Today, I'd like to go through the easy steps to upload some passport information to Checklist Travels. Once you receive an email from us that will have a secured link, click on the link. It's a Travelify link. Enter the information. Continue. A verification code will be sent to your email. Once you receive that verification code for two-step authentication, you'll want to enter your name, your email address, your gender, your passport number, upload a JPEG of your passport, country of issuance, typically United States of America or Canada, and your nationality, American. This is a little harder, not as easy. Find your date of issue, July 7th, and then find your expiration date. Enter that information, please. If you have a known traveler number, global entry, red desk, review your information. Sign it and submit. And that's all it takes to enter your information to Checklist Travels.